everybody. I thought I would come on tonight and finish this piece with you. But we've been having so much problems with our internet. Today I'm working at our library, and I thought while I had this little internet, I would finish it with you this afternoon. And maybe you'll get an opportunity to watch it this evening. As you can see, it's coming along nicely. There it is. This one and this one, I added a little brighter orange that is a gloss paint. So those can really shine as oranges. And at the top, because this one is in the background, kind of behind the leaves, I thought I would just dab just a little of that gloss orange on it to bring out that one. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow to the leaves, and then I'll sign it, and this piece of pine cone art will be completed. I'm using this brush. Now let me tell you what size this brush is. This brush is a size 10, 0. It's small, but it has the perfect head. Let me see, there you go. For me to, can you see? There it is. For me to sign and to do that little bit of veining in the leaves. I'm so excited about this piece. It turned out much better than I had originally expected, and I really like it. I really, really like it. I hope you have enjoyed watching it be created and coming along with me as I painted it. I've enjoyed it. Hello, Rebecca. How are you, girl? I hope you are fine. We are on the state of emergency in South Carolina because of the virus. There we go. I'm adding just this little, just a little. This is like a kind of, let me see if the color is on here. Yeah. This is a deep yellow. It's not a bright, bright yellow. But Rebecca, I had no idea. We are so busy. My husband and I, trying to get on other transplant lists, and my husband has to go to the doctors, and he is amazing. He is finishing the house, and I had no idea until the dialysis center called yesterday and told us that we have to stock up on supplies. And that's when I found out that South Carolina had been placed on the list for a state of emergency due to the virus. So I've got to run out tonight and get a few things, and then we had to also order extra supplies today. So how are you? How is it going? Let me see. Just a little right there. Right there, just a little. kind of brings that leaf out a bit. Now I just also, let me see, I hope I'm still in there. I just finished a video interviewing an amazing handmade artist who creates fabric designs for quilt panels and fabric panels, and she has some fabric by the yard that's coming out. She was amazing. Okay, I'm going to put just a little yellow right here to highlight that this leaf is turned up right there. I hope it's coming through okay. I'm going to come up with just a little of this vein that's down the center. Our weather here is beautiful today. We have weather in the high 70s. It is just gorgeous. I'm going to get ready and plant my garden. And I hope I'm not going to plant it too soon. And everybody be safe during this time. Don't panic. Just be a little extra careful. There we go. That's the veins. Just a little in that stem. Just to have a little light hitting that stem. Okay, I'm going to bring my piece down, and I hope I'm still there. We go. Add a little yellow there. I hope you can see it. There we go. There we go. I'm terrible with my brushes. There we go. Right there. Already. I'm excited about my new piece. This leaf is the one I'm going to do now. My new piece, or should I say pieces, are going to be a kit. I was so excited. I stayed up this morning and I finished painting. I finished sketching my canvas pieces. I'm going to have 3 in my line of DIY South Carolina pine cone art kits. I hope you're going to like them. purchase one, I hope you post the pictures. So I can see your work. There we go. Just a little veining to make this leaf pop. Just a little. Now I'm going to put just a little of this golden yellow right up here in the stem. Just to kind of bring it out just a little. Can you believe that this month is just flying by? Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go. Okay, that takes care of that one. I'm going to turn my piece. Let's see. Like this. I hope I'm still on. And I'm just going to put just a little right down there, like that, like so. Just a tad right here. That's the stem. And just a little right there on that stem down the center. Well, it appears that my phone is getting ready to cut off. But I'm gonna finish this right this minute with you while you're on with me. And there we go. I hope you share this out. I've enjoyed it so much. And I thank you so much for joining me. There we go. There it is. Now I have one last thing to do. Yep. I've got to sign it. I take a little paint, and usually it's a very, very dark color. I'm going to use this dark green. Same brush. And I'm going to sign it the way that I sign all of my paintings. All of my paintings, I sign L. Joyce. There you go. And I put the year. This is 20. Wait a minute. There we go. 2020. Okay. That's it. Finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm going to price this one at $48. If you're interested, just let me know. And thank you so much for joining me. Because for the best, you know it, it's just gotta be handmade. Have a blessed day. And thank you again. Bye-bye.